26th July is known as Kargil Victory Day. Kargil War is armed conflict between India and Pakistan. Indian Army realized that the deception of the neighbors was not smart. India retaliated strongly. About 2 lakh people joined in the military operation. Official futures: 527 soldiers were killed. Brave soldiers! Everyone of Pushpedil Center School is giving you a big salute and proudly greets you as we learn a new lesson of patriotism. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Thank you.
Celebrated on 26 July every year. It is celebrated to observe tribute our real heroes, the army soldiers who sacrificed their lives for our motherland. Kargil war was fought between India and Pakistan.
Kargil Vijay Divas. On this date in 1999, India successfully recaptured Kargil from Pakistan.
On this auspicious occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated on 26th July to remember the sacrifice of
The Kargil War was fought between May-July of 1999 in the Kargil district of Jammu and Kashmir along the line of control LOC. Kargil War is also known as the Kargil conflict.
Kargil War was a conflict between India and Pakistan. The Indian Army and Indian Air Force had a joint operation in this war. 527 soldiers were dead in this war and 1,363 soldiers were injured in this war. One soldier was prisoner in the war and one spice jet were crashed in the war and one spice jet were shot down in the war and one helicopter jet were crashed down. And around 2 lakh soldiers were participated in this war and 13,000 soldiers were directly participated in this war. Jai Hindustan!
The war was started on 3rd May and ended on 26th July 1999 at the victory of India against Pakistan. To commemorate the victory of India, we celebrate it every year.
Kargil War is also known as Kargil conflict. Every year, this day is celebrated to honor the sacrifice of all those lives that were harmed or lost. There is a special ceremony at India Gate, New Delhi, and is headed by the Prime Minister of the country. And here, I end my speech with a few lines of the poem written by Bismil Hasimabadi. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजू है कत्ल में है.
Kargil conflict occurred between May and July 1999 within the Kargil district of Jammu and Kashmir. The war signifies an armed conflict between India and Pakistan. In the war, Operation Vijay was launched by the Indian Army to recapture the Indian territories from Pakistani introduction the Kargil Draft section in 1999.
26th. This day is celebrated as Kargil Vijay Divas to honor the brave soldiers who had laid their lives in the front lines to secure the victory against the aggressive enemy. It gave us the heroes like Major General Leon Cardozo and from Bharta, whose accomplishment will be etched to our enemies forever.
Pakistan Army denied involvement in the war, claiming that it was caused by independent Kashmir rebel forces. However, documents left behind by casualties and later statements by Pakistani Prime Minister and Chief of Army Staff showed involvement of Pakistan.
India is the land of brave warriors. We fight to claim what's ours. Our Indian Army is full of such warriors is in the year of 1999. The people paid to the soldiers and martyrs there, and the Prime Minister of India visited Amar Jwan Jyoti in New Delhi and pays to the homage to the soldier. A huge loss of lives in both sides. around 2 lakh Indian soldiers participated in the war. The war took the lives of around 515 Indian soldiers.
The whole of India pays tribute to the courage and sacrifice of our soldiers on this day. Safed Sagar, the Indian Air Force operation, was a major part of the Kargil war. It used air power at the height of 32,000 feet for the first time. Kargil war is one of the most recent and infamous example of high altitude warfare.
The Kargil War, which was fought for more than 60 days, I pay my tribute to all the Indian soldiers who showed their bravery and sacrificed their lives in saving the borders of.
Good morning, dear teachers and my dear students. Today I am going to say about Kargil Vijay Divas. Kargil Vijay Divas is named after the historic success of Operation Vijay. On this date, 26 July 1999, India successfully could recuperate high outposts which had been lost to Pakistani invaders.
He alerted the Indian soldiers about this. This was the start of a more than 60 days war. Both armies suffered many losses.
Is celebrated as Kargil Divas, the day commemorating as the victory over Pakistan. The Prime Minister and other dignitaries paid homage in Amar Jawan Jyoti in New Delhi. More than 2 lakh Indian Army force take in part in the war.